How to fix screen flickering on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, go to Software Update. You can view the available software downloads over here. As you can see, your phone is already up to date. After that, go back to the General page and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap on Reset below. Then, tap on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode over here. And then, tap on Reset All Settings. Now, go back and tap on Shut Down at the end. After restarting, check if the problem has been fixed. Following these steps, you can easily fix screen flickering on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.